claps. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Mia and I'm back with a video, and today is going to be my updated makeup routine because as you know, my last one was not all that, but I got better. So this was kind of the spur of the moment, and I was like, I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine. My hair is cute, so I was like, I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine and I'm gonna post it. And this one, I don't know if I'm gonna talk. I'm probably not gonna talk. That's too much talking, so I'm probably gonna talk here and there. The last one, this one I'm gonna really name in the description what I'm using. So yeah, if you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not, you know what to do. And yeah, let's get into this video. I don't know, so I already moisturize my face. You always want to moisturize your face before you do makeup. You don't want to have dryness, because sometimes makeup can dry you out. So let's get started. I don't have a foundation, y'all. I don't have a true foundation, so I guess this is kind of a foundation look. But this is what I've been using. Honestly, I just been lazy. Comment below what's a good foundation, because I was gonna get Fit Me a foundation. And another reason why I don't have foundation is because it's hard to find a color, but I know there's colors out there for me. But yeah, I don't use a foundation. This is what I'm using. It's a CC cream by Mary Kay. It's, I know y'all, like, really, Mary Kay. Yes, I know. I don't use a lot because I add a little more, because I like it to look flawless. Hold on, y'all, I need to push this back more. I got these pins from Shein. I've been seeing people and I was like, I'm gonna buy these. Even though I rarely have my hair straight, I was like, I have to. Those are just cute.
Clear my heart, feel like I'm freaking. Paper just ain't for sure, but gotta let these haters know.
The last makeup video, y'all, I was looking orange. Not even orange. I just had look. It's okay though. I didn't have all my makeup products for real. I was just starting out. You live and you learn. Right? So that's why I was like, I have to come back and show them who the I is. I don't like the way this side looking, but that's okay. I'm not here to look cute, am I? No. Alright. After that, I just touch up my eyebrows a tad. This is how we looking. I just like to go. I'm using, NARS concealer. It's tiny, y'all. I got the teeny one. But look, it's still lasting. So I just put a little bit. And I do it on the edge because it's gonna be enough. I'm not finna, yeah.
On my knee, all this big gifts, hop off a chick, barely get rest. Catch to the more runs, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Shit not a dress, give up a mess. I eat the flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. 220, in the club, boy, like I hoop with these jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, don't get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I learned this shoes with a drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the dance. All the cool fast when they in with it.
Now that I'm home, back up the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, clean them a fold, sand on my feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, covered with angels that's watching my soul. Check out a bed, it's bigger window, I be the intent, but I got the info. I feel like I'm frozen, I'm covered in gold. find me. She hopped in and drove.
Hands on my neck, all this big X. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Catch through the moon, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my chest. Chanel dress, clean up a mess. I eat the flesh, you know the rest. Turn up behind, copper Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed.
You told her text me, really good boy like I Uber to Jesse.
Alright, so now that that is done, blended. See my eyebrows. My eyebrows are already arched, but concealer. Alright, so next, I'll be losing my train of thought when I'm vlogging. Next, I go in with my Fenty Beauty contour. Yeah, and I just go where I need to go. I don't like a real thin nose because I like my nose. I have a big nose. Well, I don't have a big nose, but I have a nice nose. So we definitely go up here. Sorry, y'all can't see. Definitely go up there. Alright, y'all. So I placed my contour. My camera got hot. But okay, that means I might be in and out. But okay, I placed my contour in where I want it. I added a little bit more concealer because I wanted it lighter. And actually, before I blend that, I like to add a liquid blush. This is some unreleased The Me Beauty Collection. Okay, this is unreleased, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. And you don't need a lot, but this gives that underneath. Blush look. Then it settles in. You don't need a lot. And blush placement is important. I like to put mine between the concealer and I go up a little bit up here. But yeah, y'all see that? It's a little bit, but it gives that underneath flourish look. That's the word I couldn't figure it out. So yeah, just a little bit. You don't need much of this. I did this underneath because I'm gonna go on top with a matte blush. So, all right. I know these faces gonna make it ugly. Next, let's go ahead and lay my powder down. I like to blend my powder with my concealer. First, I'm going with a lighter powder under my eyes because I can't do too light because I'm dark. I don't want it to look gray. But I go in with a lighter powder under my eyes. That's really all I need. That's literally all I do with that. I don't do too much because it will look great on my skin. That's Maybelline, child. I got that from Dollar General. But then I will go in with my MAC powder. I think it's like chestnut. What flavor? What? Not flavor. This is Dark Deepest. Okay. So I'm gonna go in underneath the placement of where I place my contour. Just bring it right there. You don't want to go to the chin. Alright. I'm gonna do lightly right here. Up here. Right here. And right here. I'm not gonna pat it in yet. Because before I do that, I'm about to spray my face because you want to let it sit. And so I'll be back after that. Sits for like 5-10 minutes. I'll be back. When I blend, I do not come all the way down. I just stop where I need it and I blend in place. I don't smudge it or anything. sure you want to see it, but you don't want to see it. Like, it should be blended well.
Niggas too scared to go. I feel like it's a soap. Get a beat, let it drag on the floor. And none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch on the man, we know advance. Give my nigga a chance. Try to see what he gon' do. Get it better than best. Gotta got me some bands. Can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can't decide. Just for a car, I'm a ride. The Phantom Rose body is what? I made the buck beat like the watts. I put some more rocks in the watch. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let it run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. I feel like it's a soap. Get a beat, let it drag on the floor. And none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no.
Oh, she can see my face. Like, I need to be like this. And I take it up to my eyebrow. Take it up to your eyebrow, girl. Put a little bit. I just be looking at stuff. Let me try it. It's so hard to do makeup with your mouth closed. I be making faces. I make faces at Hands off, hands off. Alright. Let's do some. I'm doing a really light eyeshadow. Like nothing really. Like nothing. Like brown. I'm doing brown. I don't like eyeshadow. I'm not that good yet.
Hey, 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 hey.
Y'all, I'm so embarrassed. This whole time my hand was ashy and y'all didn't tell me. Why wouldn't you tell me my hand's ashy? I don't even care. As long as the face look good, that's all that matter, y'all. That's all that matter. But my hands, I can't believe that. But I just put lotion, so I should be okay now. Okay, we almost in. We almost to the end of this video. I added my eyeshadow. Ain't nothing serious. I had this top coat of this blush, this other blush, the Me Beauty Collection. Okay, meant to be in the shade meant to be, because me and you is meant to be. Oh, why I'm using that? Oh my gosh, brush. Okay, I love matte. I love blush. So I'm just.
What have you become? What have you become? What if I know that's what you've been? I was blind, I was in it, I was blind.
We need to do it. Alright, now I go on top. This is my finishing. Okay. My finishing. What is called? Powder. Just a tad. But I like this one. This just settles it. Not smoky eye. The light eye. But this just settles it down. So I don't look crazy.
I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you doing too much and you don't. But when I know you, when you try to hold on to my.
Let's do the lips. Let's do the lips. Let's do the lips. Alright. So going in with my lip liner from the Me Beauty Collection. Y'all, it's raggedy looking. I'll take this thing up. Outline your lips. If you already have juicy lips, you don't have to overline, but I overline a tad. Even though I got full lips. Ooh, I overline a little bit. And all you do, if you do that, if you mess up, all you gotta do is go with the concealer and tighten. Fix it up. Then I'm gonna have my NYX Butter Gloss. What shade is this? Cream Brulee. I know everybody like, why you ain't using yours? Why your business? Alright. Let's do this. Like the dab. In the middle. And then I pat it. Alright, y'all, so yeah, like I was saying, this all you need, and you can see the difference in between my first video and this one. This is all you need. A simple go-to, y'all. I did nothing. I taught myself. I'm not no MUA or nothing. But just watch videos. Like, I love makeup videos. I also sell makeup. Okay, it's at themeabeautycollection.com. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, and I added a highlight in my corner eyes. Just nothing, but like, this is so simple. Something you could do all the time. You going out to eat, you going family functions, you going this and that. Look, I'm doing me a little beat, and you might be mad. I don't need the makeup, but you might be hating. Don't be mad, because I know how to do a little beat. But that's all you need. A photo shoot. Look, people may have it like that, but it's okay to live in your needs. Stop looking on the internet. Everybody getting their face beat, paying $100. Look, I just did this, and this can get me through a photo shoot, okay? And I'm look good. So look, invest in yourself, invest in these products, find what's for you. It's simple. That took maybe 30 minutes, and not even that. Well, it could take me 15 minutes really. When I'm not recording and all this, I can really just go, because I know what I'm doing. But invest in yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is my everyday makeup look. Well, not everyday. If I want to do simple, but this is simple. And you can just see the under eye. Like, I love that. Okay. So let me know if y'all want to see more makeup videos. And stay tuned for more.